Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Spirit Airlines today filed for bankruptcy protection as mounting losses, unaffordable debt, increased competition for bargain-seeking passengers, and the inability to merge with other airlines left it little choice. The airline said it will continue to operate as it restructures its debt. In a statement, Spirit Airlines said guests can continue to book and fly without interruption and can use all tickets, credits, and loyalty points as normal. Stakeholders in the tourism industry say the introduction of direct flights from Hartford, Connecticut to Montego Bay, St. James is a double win for the country. Details in this report.
On the weekend, Jamaica welcomed Avela Airlines' inaugural flight from Bradley International Airport in Hartford, Connecticut to Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. The obvious benefits to the tourism industry aside, Jamaica's ambassador to the US, Audrey Marks, pointed to the possibilities for local businesses wanting to expand into markets there. This as Connecticut has the third largest number of Jamaicans living in the US.
Knowing that we now have a direct flight, I've been visiting Connecticut. I met with the governor yesterday, looking at more commerce, utilizing this flight. So we are looking at expanded services in healthcare, in education, in agriculture.
Jamaica last had direct service to the state 2 years ago with Spirit Airlines, which was discontinued. Initially, Avela will fly twice weekly to the Sangster Airport. In the long run, the company is also considering service through the Norman Manley International Airport.
Here is an airline, a very young airline, 3 years old, that has chosen yet again Jamaica as the destination for their first international flight.
We definitely have a few more destinations that we're interested in bringing to Montego Bay, so stay close.
Hal Shaneberg, TVJ News.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $159.27. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.22. $200.80 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $168.22. The JSE index advanced by 1,017 points today, while the junior market rose by 10 points. Among the 50 winners were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Cygnus Real Estate US Dollar Shares, T-Tech, Lasco Distributors, and Cargo Handlers. Among the 54 losers were 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Epley 7.5% Preference Shares, Proven Group US Dollar Shares, and Jetcon Corporation. 11 stocks traded firm. And that's the business news. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.